Welcome to How to Complete a Single Visit Using TELUS EBV mobile app. My name is Lisa Turner and I am your trainer for today. So let's get started. We're going to go over the objectives. I'm going to cover how to complete a visit, which is, of course, starting and ending services for one service within a data service for no assigned task. And I want to give you another scenario, another example that I want to show you is how to complete a visit, one service with assigned task. And for more information of what assigned task or tasks are all about, we have a separate video for that, and I welcome you to join that video for more information. All right, so let's get started. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to complete a visit for one service with no assigned task. Once your visits are scheduled, and the first thing that you're seeing is the home page where you're going to see those visits that are scheduled for the day. You're going to open the visit by clicking on the first example that I'm showing you. Is my first client is Fernando. So I'm going to click on Fernando to open the visit. Now here, once you click on the name, you will see the visit details, of course, from the client's name. And for training purposes, I will be using recipients, but I know that there's other terminologies that are used concerning the individual receiving the service. And of course, it will be recipient or participant or, client. So for this demo, I will be doing using recipient. So you will see your recipient's name on the top, the date and the scheduled start time and end time, and the service location where you're to services. Below the location, you will see two labeled bars. One is the green for start the visit, and the other one is for cannot start the visit. In this example, we're going to start the visit by clicking on the green bar to begin the process. Once you have start the visit, you're down and then provide the services for the individual. As you can see, date, the time that you have clocked in or you checked in, should I say, and you have your time of the visit, that is the duration of the visit. Now, once the hour is up, so let's say for my example, I scheduled this visit for an hour, and now the hour has arrived, so I come back to the phone, and now I'm ready to check out for the day, or should I say for the services that I have completed. So I click on the end of visit, which is the green bar that you see at the bottom. The system is going to ask, hey, are you sure you want to end this visit? This is just in case you accidentally selected that green button by mistake. So in this case, yes, it's time to end this visit for the hour has arrived. So I click on yes. And then now the system is going to provide you a quick little recap of your service. As you see at the top from left to right, you have an actual start time and you have your actual end. Below the time is your service that you have provided for the recipient. And at the bottom, you will see the total time between the actual start time and the end time. Now you're going to finalize the checkout by clicking on the complete checkout green button. And now we have the page of signature where you're going to get this signature from your recipient. Once again, the recipient is confirming that the above service, in this example, is personal care, has been completed on the date that you see right above the yellow bar that says recipient, and it's going to be from the 5:30 to the time that the hour has been scheduled. Now, below the recipient yellow bar, you have two boxes from left to right, recipient and, of course, caregiver. Caregiver is the individual providing the service. So for this demonstration, I will be using the word caregiver, but some rendering provider. In this case, it will be caregiver. So for this demonstration, I will get the signature from the recipient. So I tap on the box that says recipient on the left, just tap on the pencil, and then the recipient will sign. Once you have captured that signature, there's a tab on the right that says caregiver signature. Tap on the caregiver signature, and then the caregiver signs. Once you have gathered both signatures, just click on the bottom right complete button. And now you have both signatures, and now we're going to finalize by completing this visit. Click on the green complete visit. System is verifying data. And once you have all that data loaded, you will receive a confirmation saying that. So we click OK. And now off to the next example. So the next example is completing a visit for one service with assigned tasks. So once again, to learn more about tasks, we have a separate video for that, and I welcome you to take that course. So now we're going to go ahead and complete another visit for one service with tasks. So my second scenario is, once again, my client Fernando, right the second bar. So I'm going to open that schedule. System is loading the details of the visit. Once again, you will see your recipient name on the top, the date, the scheduled start time from left and end time to right, and the service location. Now, once you are at the location, it's time to do the check-in by selecting the green Start the Visit button. Now, once you have selected that Start the Visit, the system will give you a warning that says you are not at the scheduled location to start this visit. What does this mean? This is just a warning saying, hey, the address that is on this program visit, it is not the same location that the GPS is pointing you to be at. This thing does not prohibit you from continue check-in process. It is just giving warning that, hey, your GPS might be off and you are not being pinpointed at the location that is as scheduled. So click OK because you are at the location. And now, once again, you are checked in with the as exactly as what the visit is programmed. You have your date, your actual start time on the right, and your scheduled start time and scheduled end time. Now, below the details of the schedule, you have your service. And in this example, we're taking service, and you have 3 tasks to perform or to provide for that service. We have laundry, light housekeeping, and of course, kitchen and washing dishes. Now, once you have checked in, now put the phone down and let's provide service to the recipient. Now the hour is up, this demo is, and now it's time to check. So I click the visit green button at the bottom. System is verifying all that information, and that you're going to get the confirmation. Do you want to end this visit? Yes, I'm sure. I did not accidentally so I click on yes. And now you have your confirmation, your quick little recap as to your services. From left to right, you have your actual start time and end time. You have your service, and you have those tasks: laundry, light housekeeping, and cleaning the kitchen and dishes. Now, let's say for this example, there was not enough time to provide services for one of those 3 tasks. Let's say, for example, I didn't have time to do the laundry. You will deselect the task that you did not complete during this visit. Once you have deselected, now I'm going to click on complete the checkout. Location that now in the confirmation page, which your recipient is going to sign, you're going to see that on the top, your service is homemaking. You have completed light housekeeping. You completed the kitchen and washing, but the laundry was incomplete. Now the recipient is going to verify that the case is true, that you didn't complete the laundry, but you did everything else. So let's say that in this example, the recipient is unable to sign. So we're going to change the naming convention of who is going to sign on behalf of the recipient. So the yellow bar above the 2 pencil boxes, you're going to select that bar. And now you're going to select from a prefix list reasons why the recipient is unable to sign. So we have a no signature gathered option. We have a family member is going to sign, legal guardian or representative. In this case, I'm going to have my family member sign, and I click OK. And now, why is the family member signing on behalf of the recipient? So once again, you have to select from the prefix list. You have an option of, hey, the recipient is blind. You have impaired. You have juvenile, refuse, or unable to read and write. In this example, I'm going to say that my client or the recipient is impaired, and I click OK. So notice the left box that once said recipient now says family member. So you click on the family member box, hand over the device to the family member that was signed. And at the tab right, caregiver signature, tap that. And click on the bottom right complete button. And now you will see both signatures from left to right, and the final completion is complete the visit by clicking on the bottom right green button. System is verifying all the data. And you receive your visit complete and successfully verified. Click OK, and we are done completing a visit. So let's do a quick little recap. Number one, complete all steps to finalize the visit. If tasks are assigned, select and assign the time spent within each task. And also, to learn more about tasks, just a friendly reminder, please visit our training website to get more information about tasks. This concludes this demo. Thank you for joining this training. And once again, please visit our training website for other offerings. Thank you and have a great day.